Welcome. Are you working hard but still broke? Struggling to make progress no matter how much you earn? It's probably not your income holding you back. It's your habits. Money habits you don't even realize are quietly draining your wallet, keeping you stressed, paycheck to paycheck, and stuck. Today, we're calling them out with love. These are the money habits that are keeping you poor. And if you don't fix them now, they'll keep you stuck for the next 10, 20, or even 30 years. Habit number 1, lifestyle creep. You make more, you spend more. You got a raise, a bonus, a promotion, and suddenly you're driving a nicer car, dining out more, and upgrading everything. But your savings? Still empty. That's lifestyle creep, when your expenses grow with your income. And it's the reason why even high earners feel broke. You don't get rich by making more. You get rich by keeping more. If every extra dollar goes to a reward, you're not building wealth, you're building a trap. Fix it. Decide today what percentage of your income will you save before you spend. Automate your savings, then enjoy what's left, not the other way around. Habit number 2, emotional spending. Bad day, you buy shoes. Bored, scroll, click, purchase. Lonely, Amazon cart to the rescue. This is emotional spending, using money to escape feelings. And it feels good for a moment, but it will cost you in the long run. That $50 here, $30 there adds up, and it's keeping you poor, not just financially, but emotionally dependent on spending. Fix it? Before you buy, pause. Ask, do I need this, or am I feeling something? Trade your spending triggers for smarter habits, like journaling, walking, or just waiting 24 hours. Habit number 3, not having an emergency fund. Life happens. Car breaks down, medical bill, job loss. And if you don't have cash ready, guess what? You go straight to credit cards or loans. That's not recovery. It's a setback disguised as a solution. No emergency fund equals guaranteed stress and long-term debt. Fixed it? Start with just $500, then work up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Use a separate savings account. Treat it like rent, non-negotiable. Habit number 4, only paying the minimum on debts. Credit card companies love people who pay the minimum. Why? Because they make a fortune on interest. Paying the minimum means your $1,000 debt could cost you $3,000 and take 10 years to pay off. You're not saving money, you're digging a deeper hole. Fix it? Use the snowball or avalanche method. Pay off the smallest or highest interest debt first, but pay more than the minimum. Every extra dollar toward principal saves you months, even years of stress.
Habit number 5, no clear financial goals. You wouldn't get in a car without knowing where you're going, but most people live paycheck to paycheck with zero financial direction. No savings goal, no retirement plan, no strategy, just survival. If you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. Fix it. Set clear, measurable goals. Save $5,000 in 12 months. Invest $200 a month for retirement. Write them down, track them monthly, celebrate small wins.
Habit 6, keeping up with others. Comparison spending. Your neighbor gets a new SUV. Suddenly, your car feels old. Your friend's vacation photos? Now you're booking a trip you can't afford. Keeping up with others is the fastest way to stay broke, because you're spending based on emotion, not values. And often, you're copying people who are also broke. Fix it. Unfollow people who trigger envy. Practice gratitude daily. And remember, real wealth is silent. Flashiness is often a mask for debt.
Habit number 7, ignoring investing. I'll start investing later. But here's the truth. Later equals lost money. Every year you wait, you lose time, the most powerful part of building wealth. Investing isn't gambling, it's a long game. And starting small today beats waiting for the perfect time. Fix it. Begin with low-cost index funds or ETFs. Use apps or platforms that automate it. Even $50 a month grows over decades. The earlier you start, the less you need.
These habits are silent killers. They don't destroy your finances overnight. They do it slowly, without warning. But here's the good news. You can change. Every smart decision you make, starting today, puts you back in control. Stop blaming your income. Start fixing your habits. Because wealth isn't about luck. It's about discipline, awareness, and action. So which habit are you breaking first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, help someone else by subscribing and sharing it. Don't just watch, act. Thank you for watching.